Need answers from your documents without searching through the pages of information? Notebook LM's chat feature lets you ask questions and get answers directly from your uploaded sources. Here's how it works. Start by opening a notebook that contains at least one source. Once you're inside the notebook, you'll see the chat box at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can ask questions about your documents. After typing your question, press enter. Notebook LM will analyze your uploaded sources and generate a response based on the information it finds. One useful feature is that the answers are connected to your sources, making it easier to verify where the information came from. You can continue the conversation by asking follow up questions. This allows you to explore your documents without manually searching through every page. And that's how you use Notebook LM Chat to ask questions. Simply upload your sources, type your question, and let Notebook LM help you find the information you're looking for. Thanks for watching.